Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Today we're looking at Claude Opus 4.1. This paper shows it sets a new state-of-the-art score, achieving 74.5% on the SWE-bench Verified benchmark. And as we'll see later, the improvements for developers are really notable. The model also shows stronger skills in complex reasoning and agentic tasks, which are tasks where the AI acts more like an autonomous assistant. And this first figure really drives that point home, especially for software engineering. We're looking at accuracy on the SWE-bench Verified benchmark, which is a tough test that measures how well an AI can solve real-world software engineering problems. You can see the clear progression here, from Sonnet 3.7 at 62.3% to Opus 4 at 72.5%, and finally, the new Opus 4.1 reaching 74.5%. Industry feedback backs this up, with companies like GitHub noting big improvements in complex tasks like code refactoring. Building on that, this table gives us a much broader look at performance. We see Opus 4.1 compared against its predecessor, Opus 4, as well as models from OpenAI and Google. The coding improvements are clear, not just on SWE-bench, but also on Terminal Bench for agentic terminal coding, where the score jumps to 43.3%. Agentic tasks, by the way, are where the AI acts more like an autonomous assistant. It's interesting, though. While Opus 4.1 leads in coding, models like Gemini 2.5 Pro still score higher in other areas like graduate-level reasoning. So, to wrap things up, the big takeaway here is that Claude Opus 4.1 represents a really substantial upgrade, especially for developers. We saw the new state-of-the-art score on the SWE-bench Verified benchmark, and industry partners are confirming these gains in real-world tasks like debugging and refactoring large codebases. The authors also mention a technique called extended thinking, which basically gives the model more virtual scratchpad space to reason through complex problems. It's clear that Anthropic is pushing hard on practical, real-world capabilities. That's all